Good morning. Once again, welcome back to online teaching classes of St. Thomas School, Mahua. Today, we are going to start activity 5 and 6. I have sent activity 5 PDF, but explaining remain. So today, let's start activity 5 and 6. And we have seen our previous lecture activity 4 about the math here to find out how long it takes for the light from the sun to reach the earth. So we seen that is 500 seconds. How many seconds is that? We seen now 500. Okay. How far is the sun from the earth? The sun is 150 million kilometers away from the earth. Okay, बच्चे. At what speed does light travel? Light travels at 3 lakh kilometers per second. That much we seen in our previous lecture. Now, let's start activity 5. In activity 5, they mention about shadowgraphy. We seen up to activity 4, shadow and light. It can't happen without sunlight. So in activity 5, let's activate Broca's area and practice some English at the same time. So, in activity 5, some new words given. Shadowgraphy. I mention in PDF. Shadowgraphy means projecting shadows on a blank wall or screen, means usually with hands. Many pictures we mention with our acting of hands. Birds, flying birds. You do experiment at home, okay, with lights or sunlights. Okay, puppet, a model or person or animal which can be moved either by strings or by a hand inside it. Now, many magic is going on with the trick of hands. Okay, बच्चे. So, here we understand about the puppet. Next, evidence. Information indicating whether something is true or valid. Broca's area, a part of brain which helps with language. We see in our next activity also. So here, have you heard of shadowgraphy? It's the art of using the hands to make interesting shadow shapes on a screen. Look here, with 2 hands. They mention a flying bird. The art has been around a long time. European travelers learned it when visiting China, but at that time people used puppets. They did not using their hands to appear a trick, but they using puppets. Many times in our street also we see puppets of Kathputli. Understand now? Okay. Later some people started doing shows with hand shadows. A boy named Felician Travis left home at 15 years old to become a performer and a magician. He became very popular for his hand shadows. He liked to make his hands look like the shadows of famous people. He became a performer. There is scientific evidence that Doing hand shadows activates a part of the brain called Broca's area. We understand the meaning of Broca's area. Means a part of brain which helps with language. So, doing hand shadows may help you speak English. If you would like to try making some hand shadows, start with a nice bright light in a dark room. Okay, बच्चे? If you would like to try making some hand shadows, start with a nice bright light in a dark room and shine the light so that your shadow shows on a blank wall. In previous lecture, in activity, I show you many pictures of getting shadows. When we jump, when we go in, when we come out. Understand now? Okay. One of the easiest hand shadows to start with a bird. You can easily make the bird using your fingers. Try it and see. In this picture also. See, look here. They mention no? Yes. Check this picture. So, shadowgraphy is the art of using hands to make shadow shapes on a screen or a blank wall. जो blank रहती वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? Blank, plain. European travelers learned it when they visited China, but at that time people used puppets. Later some people started doing shows with hand shadows. A 15-year-old boy, Felician Travi, became very popular for his hand shadows of famous people. It is scientifically proved that doing hand shadows activates a part of the brain called Broca's area. They using their brain. They help their brain and speak out. It's Broca's area. So, doing hand shadows may help you speak English. One can start making some hand shadows with a nice bright light in a dark room and shine the light so that one's shadow shows on a blank wall. One can start by making the bird fly by moving one's fingers. They using their fingers. Understand no बच्चे? You do this activity in a dark room with a proper light. Then it can be happen as a shadow. Okay children, I hope you understand this activity 5, shadow photography. Now we go as per our activity 6. Let's activate Broca's area and practice some English at the same time. So, in activity 5, I already mentioned you do this experiment as a practice. So, work with a partner, sit back to back so you can't see each other's hands. How do the children? Those who sitting forward, you. Choose one animal shadow and your partner choose another. Different. So, here in this picture, look bachche. Both, one by one, they sitting backward and they preparing different shadows of a different birds. Here someone prepare camel and here goose. Okay bachche? Work out on your own how your hands should be to make your animal. Then practice your English by describing the position of your hands to your classmate. You might need phrases such as my thumb is over my, bend the ring finger, put your left hand and under your right hand. So from this picture we do this activity and here they mention If you can see your shadows, you can check to see if your animal shadows match. Different, yeah, same. We have to match. But in this condition, we can't do this activity. So, do with your siblings. Okay? If you can't, you can both try to match the position of your hands and then look to see if they match. 10 turns describe and matching. So this activity we will do afterwards when our school will reopen. I hope बच्चे you understand this activity, and I send PDF with answer. I tried to project different shadows by arranging and holding my hands in different position. Once or twice it so happened that I wanted to make the shape of a camel, but not being accurate in holding the position of hands, a shape of goat was formed. We have to perform a shadow of camel, but it's performed as a goat. No problem बच्चे, try and try until you succeed. Okay बच्चे, and you have to mention that I enjoyed it a lot. With more practice, I have learned to project different shapes of birds and animals. So okay बच्चे, complete this activity of shadowgraphy, whatever you want to be. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.